Hey guys, it's R.V.C here and I'm back again with another video. I recently purchased the Xiaomi Mi Mix 3 5G. I decided to purchase this phone instead of the Mi 90 Pro. Did I make the right decision? Well, let's find out. First, I will start with the similarities between this phone and the Mi 90 Pro. The specs are pretty similar, Snapdragon 855 on both and not 845. 6GB of RAM and 128GB of ROM. The GPU is Adreno 640 and the screen is 6.39 inches with Super AMOLED technology. And that basically sums up the internal specifications. The UI on both the Mi Mix 3 and the 90 Pro is the Xiaomi UI, which is Mi UI. I'm just using Poco Launcher on this device. So in terms of UI, you will get the same experience. Both the phone cameras are hidden, although they operate differently. The Mi Mix 3 has manual slider while the 90 Pro has motorized selfie camera. So they both give you the full screen experience. Now let's look at why I chose the Mi Mix 5G. First, the price. I got the Mi Mix 3 5G cheaper than the 90 Pro. 50 euros cheaper to be exact. The price is dropping as day goes by. Anyway, since the specs were kind of similar, I wasn't convinced enough to spend the extra money. They were also both released in 2019. Another thing is the camera. The back camera of the Mi Mix 3 takes amazing photos. Even in the DxO Mark, the Mi Mix 3 has a higher score compared to the 90 Pro. Not by much though. The last thing is the 5G capability. If you want a phone that has future proofing with the 5G, then the Mi Mix is the most affordable 5G phone you can get right now. Those are basically the things that favor the Mi Mix 3 5G over the 90 Pro. Now let's look at the downsides. Although the Mi Mix 3 5G packs a 3800 mAh battery, the battery life is okay. It's not the best. I currently use the phone in 4G and I managed to get the entire day of moderate use. I just can't imagine how the battery will last when using it in 5G mode. Another worst thing is the Mi Mix 3 5G is still running on the MIUI 10. There is no MIUI 11 yet and no Android 10. The 90 Pro has received the MIUI 11 based on Android 10 and all the Xiaomi phones are already enjoying the MIUI 11. I talked about the amazing camera the Mi Mix 3 has, but it's still stuck in 2018. It has two back cameras instead of the triple setup. This means you don't have the wide angle capabilities. The Mi 90 Pro has the triple camera setup, hence offering more when it comes to photo capabilities. The Mi Mix 3 lacks the 3.5mm port. To some it could be a big deal, but I have transitioned to the Bluetooth technology. So if you use the wired earphones, then the 90 Pro is for you. The last thing could be a big deal to others, but I'm fine with it. The Mi Mix 3 5G only supports single SIM. You don't have the option to use dual SIM. So go with the 90 Pro if you really need the dual SIM. To finalize my video, was the Mi Mix 3 5G worth getting over the 90 Pro? The answer is no. If you can spend the extra money, then go with the Mi 90 Pro. The Mi Mix 3 5G has only the 5G network to brag about over the 90 Pro. And to be honest, the 5G is not available everywhere. So for now, that's basically it. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, please drop it in the comment box below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Share this video, and I guess I'll have to see you in the next one. Bye.